Welcome to Culinary Journeys and Classic Rides, where sizzling recipes meet roaring engines. This is the channel where foodies and car lovers come together for unforgettable adventures. Today, I am going to share a road trip food hack that takes just 5 minutes and delivers the kind of flavor you would expect from a full kitchen. The best part? You can make it while cruising with your classic or luxury ride parked right beside you. The hack is simple: a cheesy tortilla pocket. Normally, you would need a stove or fancy tools, but watch this. Take 1 tortilla, a handful of shredded cheese, and whatever fillings you have handy, maybe cooked chicken, some veggies, or even leftover steak from last night's barbecue. Place everything in the middle of the tortilla. Fold the sides inward like a pocket and press it flat. Now here comes the twist. Instead of a skillet, grab a piece of aluminum foil, wrap your tortilla pocket tightly, and place it on the engine bay of your car while it is still hot from the drive. Leave it there for just a few minutes. The engine heat warms it perfectly, melting the cheese inside and toasting the outside. Unwrap it, and what you get is a crispy, gooey tortilla melt that tastes shockingly good. Honestly, it is better than some pan versions I have made in the kitchen. This is not just a hack, it is an experience. You are combining your love of cars with your love of food, turning your ride into a mobile kitchen. So next time you hit the road, remember this cheesy tortilla pocket hack. It is fast, tasty, and guaranteed to surprise your friends. If you liked this fusion of food and rides, hit that like button, subscribe to Culinary Journeys and Classic Rides, and tell me in the comments what crazy food hack I should try next on a classic or luxury car.